game. So, give it 265. Oops, sabi box break. 4 daw, sabi ni Boss Christian sa pinakababa. Okay. Masusunod, boss. Basta ikaw. Hindi kami to kontra. Basta ikaw, Boss Christian. Number 4, sorry Boss Arvin, na si Boss Christian. Serial number 96. Sana hindi tayo magsisi sa pinili ni Boss Christian. So, good luck, good luck. So, good luck po. Good luck, good luck. Sana right rookies. Right cards, right rookies, right teams. Okay, game. Good luck. Ano meron? Merong wala. So, good luck sa mga joiners ng 285. Let's see. Okay, good luck. Ano to? Parang gold. Jimmy Buckets, O'Shea Brissett, Joe Harris, Jeff Green, Denny Avdija, Washington Wizards rookie, Walker Kessler, kabisado niya na, another Keegan Murray. Ito atin parang throwback. Throwback nga, CP3, kaya pala mukhang gold. Next one. Cam Thomas, second year, release Cam. Isaac Okoro, IQ5. We have Harrison Barnes, Corey Kispert was Atlanta, AJ Griffin, Boss Jomel, Treyman, and Prime Twine for Evan Mobley, second year as well. Cleveland Cavaliers, yun ang titisod. Basta yun ang i-injury. Pangalan nun, Luka Year yun eh. Alam ko Luka Year eh. Ayun, Grayson Allen. Ang mukha. Ocean Brissett, Joe Harris, Cole Anthony. Man-ad ba ngayon si Jalen Suggs? Siya bang pwedeng mawala? Mikal Bridges. We have Anthony Edwards, tribute, rookie. Vince Williams Jr. Memphis. Si Boss J.O. Wala pa attorney sa 286 ka. Forward, Rudy Gay. And spark plug again. Sino kaya ito ngayon? Ops! 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 Nebiko. Tama ba yan? Sumisilip. Stephen Curry. Spark plug. Sinimulan ulit sa spark plug. Pinababa. Dati high voltage. Yung spark plug na lang. Yung source na yung source. Lang. Silver. Ano to? Jalen Johnson. Mukhang Jamtastic. Giannis. Jalen Brown. Domats. Literal attorney. Rui. Rookie. Caleb Houston. Martin Houston. Moses Moody. And Golden State again. Jamtastic Andrew Wiggins na makala ko kung sino. Dapat positive thinker tayo. Tapos masaya mag-break para nakatrap tayo ng positive energy. Pakita. Sana. Isaac Okoro, IQ5, Clint Capella, Alperen Sengun, Will Barton, rookie. We have Musa Diabetes, LAC Boss Doy. Tribute ni AI. And, Houston Rockets, another Jamtastic. For, Jalen Green, very nice. H-Town, Boss JG. Next one. Delano Banton, Jason Tatum, Jackson Hayes for the Nope, Caleb Martin, Miami. Caleb Houston na naman. Ano ba to? Dalawa-dalawa. Moses Moody, same set. And Tyrese Martin. Sino ba to? Sorry, hindi ko maano eh. Oy, Max Christie, my favorite player. Chat kita mamaya. Oy, 1 of 1. Uy, 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Kevin Durant, sana rookie. Jarrett Allen, Malik Monk, Finney Smith, Paul George, Anferny, rookie Christian Braun. 1 of 1 tayo guys. Rookie mo please. Rookie! Rookie! Bright color. 1 of 1. Boom! Jaden Ivey, 1 of 1. Detroit boss on in. Bang! Artist group, 1 of 1. Bebeng! Puta, nanginginig ako. It's over. It's over. Positive energy, 1 of 1. Jaden Ivey, artist group. Black Prism. It's over. 1 of 1 artist proof for the Detroit Pistons. Pew, 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 pew. Shit, 1 of 1. At least one of my biggest pulls sa year na ito. Jaden Ivey, 1 of 1 artist proof. Black Prism. Shit. Sorry, Curry. I have my 1 of 1. Tabi ka muna kahit SP ka. 2 rookies lang ang Detroit. Yung isa medyo okay pa, si Duren. And the right rookie came out. Congrats, congrats. Alec Burke, nandiyan ka ba, Omar? Putek ka. Kevin Werther, Pascal Siakam, Patrick Beverly, Harrison Barnes, Jabari Smith Jr. Grabe. Swerte ni Boss Onin. AJ Griffin again. And Donovan for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Wait lang give me a time 1 of 1 artist group. One in a million. 1 of 1. Putek. I'm happy. Medyo meron lang feeling pero hindi naman ganun kahalata. Who cares? 1 of 1. Parang 55 PT ata tong mag, pero kaya naman. Next one. Maganda pa kaya auto nito. Lauri Markkanen, PJ Wash, Jamal Murray, Herbert Jones, Jordan Clarkson, Andrew Nembhard, Indiana, Boss Events. We have Greg Brown and Mike Conley, purple again. Sorry sa mga nauna at nirandomize naman natin yung boxes. Napakaswerte lang talaga ni Boss Oni. Ano ba? Dan Paulo Pexon. May ginagawa ako. Kupla, George Hill, Grant Williams, Max Strus, Davion Mitchell. We have Robert Covington, Blake Wesley. Meron pa pala nito, madam. Nikola Jokic and Hoopla. Ni Nikola Jokic. Okay. Boss Jeremy Sawakash. 3-time MVP kaya. Like, kakabalik lang yan, boss, kahapon. Okay, from injury. Okay, holo. Mukhang City Edition. Darius Garland, Derrick Rose, John Collins, Brandon Ingram, Jarrett Van Vliet, Malaki Branham, dami madam puro Sasa, Josh Hart, and Zero Gravity, holo, sana artist proof din. Giannis, holo. Ay putik ko, grabe. Ang worst naman nito. Joe Hibionada, kita mo ba yan? Tanggalin mo na lang kaya. For the sake lang na makita natin yung itsura. Oh, ang lala. Pwede na yan sa 50 pesos. Yes sir, Boss K. Gia, Jaden Ivy, 1 of 1, artist proof. Fred VanVleet, James Bouknight, Wiscamp, dito ka pa. KCP, Mark Williams for the Charlotte, Boss GSD. Nice shot, OKC ni Boss James Angelo. Johnny Davis was JC. And Johnny Davis. Kaya nga ganyan yan. Magsasabi ng time, tas tutulog. Okay, holo again. Spark plug ulit. So, dalawang spark plug. Then, auto. Robert Williams. Marvin Bagley. Franz Wagner. Devin Booker. Christian Coloco. Toronto Boss Arvin. Rudy Gobert. Ito yung auto. Then, spark plug again. Second spark plug. Dalawang spark plug. Short print pa talaga. Kevin Durant. Next one. Evan Fournier. Chris Boucher. Spencer. Reggie Jackson. Triple J. Nikola Jovic for Boss Josh. We have Gary Payton and Jalen Williams. Class action for the OKC Thunder. Boss James Angelo. Next. Danny Green. Oops. Gordon Hayward, Pat Connaughton, Jonas, PJ Tucker, James Wiseman rookie for Josh Minot, and Lakers. Zero grab, LeBron again. LA Lakers. Boss June, not numbered though. But I'll take it. Basta LeBron. Next one. Sarap makuha ng 1 of 1 kasi gusto mo pa mag-hoops. Prime Twine. Kevin Love. James Harden. THT Lakers. Josh Christopher. Tari Eason. Houston Boss JG. Aaron Wiggins. And Jalen Williams again. Prime Twine. Oy! Another one, Nikola Jokic, Boss Jeremy. Okay. Several packs, dami pa to. Wala pa tayo numbered card. Ay, meron na 1 of 1. Miles Turner, ito I think numbered card. Ben Simmons, Anthony Davis, LA Lakers. Christian Wood, Brandon Boston. Doris Baisley, rookie. Jaden Ivey. Ito, tamang ano lang. Pamigay lang. Rookie again. Sacramento, I think. Ooh! Keegan Murray out of 199. Oy, gandang box. Sacktown. Boss Otto. Nice hit. Out of 199. 97. Out of 199. Anong meron? Wait lang. Ito. Meron pang zero gravity ni Antetokounmpo na pwede nang tanggalin yung frame. Kyle Lowry, Chris Duarte, Corey Kispert, Juan Toscano, Trayman, Osman Dieng, CP3, guard for the Lakers, Westbrook, Austin Reeves, NB, okay. LA Lakers, Boss J.O. We have Blake Griffin, Lavert, Eric Gordon, Nikola Jokic, Devontae Graham. We have Benedict Maturin, Boss Evets, Donovan, and class action, another Dyson Daniels. Di nawawala to. Next pack. Red back, Miles McBride, Tyrese Haliburton, Kyrie Irving, Caleb, Justin Holiday, Paulo Banchero. Orlando, Boss J.O. We have Jonathan Kuminga. And not a rookie guardia. Magic pa naman. Gary Harris, Redback. Next pack. Evan Mobley, Cam Reddish, Luka Doncic. We have CJ Mack, Kendall Brown, Indiana. Kamukha ni Hayes, Zion Big Boy, rookie again, Wendell Moore. And for the NYK City Edition, RJB, NYK Boss Christian, Budol ni Omar. Last 3 guys, may makapal na pack sa dulo eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit makapal yun. Sana dalawang auto. Di ba pwede yun? DeAndre Hunter, Gary Trent, Jaden McDaniels, De'Aaron Fox, Kristaps, Clay Bay, rookie, Jalen Williams, and road to the finals. We have out of 999, Drew Holiday. Next, Tyler Hero, last 2 packs. Malcolm Brogdon, Seth Curry, Brody, Jashonte, Ice Tray, rookie natin, Kendall Chandler, and we have Keegan Murray again, Sacramento Kings. Last pack, itong kapal oh. Itong ba't makapal? Baka marami lang yung cards. Oh, kapal oh. Daming cards. Ilan ba? 8 lang. Ilan to? Ang dami. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 4. Daming cards oh. Puro base. Jalen Johnson, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Jaylen Brown, Jeremy Grant, puro base. Bogdan, Precious Achiuwa, Duncan Robinson, Aaron Nesmith, puro base nga. Aaron Gordon, Zion, Cole Anthony. We have Jamaran Tribute, then rookie. We have Shadon Sharp. Then last one, road to the finals. Dami lang base. Saan naman redback? Walang redback. Kulay green again. Giannis na naman out of 2022. Last but not the least, our auto for this break. So good luck, sir. Autograph, baliktad. So last card for PBB 285. Ano to? HSR. Oops, signature. BMG. Dino to? Putek, Bryce McGowan. Hot signature. Rookie. For the Charlotte Hornets. Boss, Gian. Wala kang kwenta. Pero not bad. At least rookie. B-Mac. And B-Mac. McGowan. Hot signature. Boss Christian. Charlotte. Glenn Santo Domingo. Gian Santo Domingo. Congrats on this one. Okay, recapan lang natin. Milwaukee, Giannis 2022. Keegan Murray now playing out of 999. Drew, RJ Barrett, City, Purple on Purple. Austin Reeves, Jaden Ivey base, Jalen Williams base, Nikola Jokic Prime Twine, and Jalen Williams class action. We have Chet Tribute, Max Christie, Last Kobe, Keegan Murray, and throwback ni CP3. We have Zero Gravity LeBron and Nikola Jokic Shupla. So tayo. We have Jalen Green and Andrew Wiggins Jamtastic, Jabari Smith Tribute, Evan Mobley Prime Twine, and Benedict Maturin True RC Base. Paolo Banchero True RC and Donovan Mitchell Cleveland Prime Twine. We have Giannis Antetokounmpo na parang meron ata tong sticker sa loob, free card. Zero grab silver pa naman din. And our biggest seat of the night. We have Keegan Murray out of 199, silver, parallel, hot signature Bryce McGrowan, rookie. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kagaling. 2 spark plug, Kevin Durant, BKN, and GSW Steph Curry. And the man of the arena, the man of the moment, Jaden Ivey, artist proof. One of one! Going to the Detroit para kay Boss Onin Pulsat. Congrats, boss. Congrats on your one of one artist proof. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. So peace. God bless.